Okay, the moment of truth has finally arrived. Everybody knows that I'm a DJI fan, but I had to go out and check this one out. This is the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and we're gonna get it unboxed today. So let's go. Well, it's been a long time since I broke this old Kanife out, but today we gotta cut a box open. So I picked this up from Best Buy. They had two left when I got this one. I really wanted to get the white one, but I felt that I would get it really dirty because like using it, throwing it in bags, doing things like that. With the black, I don't have to worry. So dual lens, 8K gimbal camera. We all have seen this. We know what this is. If you don't, you have been under a rock in the tech world. But this is everything that comes in the box. Now I do like to see everything. So this is basically an introduction to this camera, talking about the Leica lenses. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is my first experience with this type of lens. So we'll come back to this. This is really what we came to see, but let's see what else is in this box. So let's get this open. So there's nothing else in here. This is just like a hard piece of plastic inside of some cardboard. The bottom portion with the adapter on the bottom, just like so. And this is supposed to have some little feet on it, like a tripod. Yeah, there we go. So built-in tripod, it'll stand up on a table. I like that. Innovative and creative. Little clamps, very clampy, very clampy. I like that. I don't know how many times you can do that, but you know, put that there. All right, so what's in here? What's in here? Nothing is in here. Okay. In here we got, let's see. We got to download the app too, because I do not have an Insta360 app. I've never had one of their devices before. So this is my first Insta360 device. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got some stickers, of course. Everybody has stickers. We got a lanyard. We got USB-C to C. I don't know what this is. It's a piece of foam. I'll see what this is for later. Of course, you got the gel pack. You got to have the gel pack to keep all moisture away and scare it back. And then you got your instructions and your quick start guide. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's everything that comes in the box. Now I just got the basic kit. So basic of basic kits. And the basic kit only comes with these standard items right here. I got plenty of mics. I didn't need a mic. I do need the earpiece. I got to get that, but that one is not available yet. So I got to find that earpiece somewhere. Now I do like the fact that this comes in a, like, this is nice and pocketable. It's carryable. Let's see how we open it. There we go. So for those who didn't see, I'm going to show you. Boom, you pop that and it comes open. One more time for the kids in the back. And then for the ones that are a little, there we go. All right, so you can store your lenses in here as well. So I like that. It's all in one. Snap shut. Okay. All right, here we go. Satisfying. I got to do some research on this, of course. I got to play with it. This is turning it on for the first time. I'm sure it's going to be like a setup screen. It's coming on. Now, I did see that there were some issues with this screen. And some people were saying, hey, this screen would say disconnected at sometimes. So where's my language at? Now, come on. Here we go. We speak English. Now, I got to connect to the app and get this set up. So really and truly, I just wanted to see. Okay. Oh, it told me to place it back on. All right, I gotta connect. I gotta get all this downloaded. So let's take a quick break. All right, so after being interrupted a million times, we finally got this set up. There we go. Comes on very easy. Now, I am gonna do a few comparisons because I do have the DJI Pocket 4. I don't have the upgraded 4 with 2 lenses, but this one, in my opinion, the feel of it, just comparing it to the DJI, feels kind of lightweight. I don't want to say cheap, but it does feel a little more lightweight, a little less premium than the DJI device. Also, with this clip on the bottom, it's really not as user friendly. Trying to put it in, like you literally have to keep lock it in place with your fingers. It doesn't just automatically do that. See, I still got to kind of push it down with my fingers. Also, controls, very easy, which I hadn't even been through all the tutorials yet, but still running me through all the tutorials. Okay, so now we'll just pull back, zoom in and zoom out. You can see those good things right there. But like I said, I gotta play with it, get a good feel for it. But as of right now, what I really enjoy about this is the fact that I can pop this front off. Now this front now will act as my viewfinder, and it will allow me to use this for audio reception as well. Has a little mic up here on the top. So if you want to talk into this while you're videoing, wherever you got this set up stationary, great. And then when you get done, you just pop it back in place. Now, like I said, I did read a few reviews that people were saying that when this was in place, it was still saying it was detached from the device. And one thing that I'm not really feeling is the portrait mode, because whenever I kind of tilt this a little bit, it automatically goes into a portrait mode, and now it won't do it. So it's kind of like it's situational to when it does it. But like I said, I got to get a feel for it. I just got this in today, and I will be doing a full on comparison, and we'll talk about a review as well. So this has just been an unboxing of the Insta360 Luna Ultra. This is their flagship gimbal type camera. I don't know if I don't know my feelings about it yet. I'm a DJI guy, so I gotta just see how this feels, how this works. But you can see it swapped over modes already. So that's one thing I gotta kind of play around with. Maybe it's a setting I can change to kind of fix that, but it kind of does it when it gets ready. But we'll see. Got a review coming. I got some comparisons coming. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Not much in the box, but I am digging that they got a case in there. So until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.